Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure your Android phone and Android TV share the same Wi-Fi network. This matters because Discovery uses local networking. Open the Google Home app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location. These speed up device detection. On the TV, power it and switch to the Android TV input or built-in cast receiver. Once done, you'll see the TV listed in Google Home. Tap the TV entry to start pairing and setup. Continue by completing the middle steps that make casting reliable. In Google Home, follow the pairing prompts. Verify the on-screen code, give the TV a clear name, and assign a room. This organizes devices and shortcuts. On the Android TV, open settings and ensure Cast or Chromecast built-in is enabled. You may need to accept permissions. Once configured, start a short video or use Cast Screen to test. Check audio-video aspect, and that the phone shows a persistent casting notification. Finish the process by launching content and knowing how to stop or recover. To cast, open a cast-enabled app and tap the cast icon, or use the phone's screen cast option. Select your Android TV. To end casting, tap stop in the app or notification, or switch the TV input. If casting fails, use one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot router first, then phone, then Android TV. This clears network and Discovery problems. If problems persist, confirm both devices still share the same Wi-Fi and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.